If your hair is breaking, thinning, or refuse to grow, what if I told you that ginger remedy may be your prayer answer? Yes, using the ginger the way I would direct you on this video. No more stagnant hair growth, no more hair breakage, no more thinning hair, no more slow growth, no more weak strands. The ginger will be your prayer answer. If you can be patient, watch the video to the end, know how to use it and how to prepare it to achieve that best result.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, 'cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday.
On today's video, I am showing you exactly how I use fresh ginger to boost hair growth faster than anything I have tried recently. So if you have a struggle with slow growth or shedding, please do not skip this video. Our first ingredient is fresh ginger. I've already washed my ginger very well because I don't like peeling off the skin of the ginger. If you have not tried before, please try it and you have more additional benefit with it, because the ginger skin also have its own powerful, its own potency to add in your hair growth routine. Okay, so using the ginger and the skin together is another additional benefit. Believe me, you will never regret it. But only thing you need to do, make sure you wash the ginger very well. Cut out any part you know that is not good, then use it together. You don't have anything to worry about. Okay, ginger is one powerful natural remedy that many people are letting down. If you are serious to grow your hair, I will encourage you to start using ginger. Ginger can help you to achieve your hair goals, and the best part of it, you don't need to break the bank before you can have access to the ginger. Ginger is very affordable. Ginger have a lot of powerful nutrients that can help you to achieve longer, thicker, fuller hair. If you want to kill lice on your hair, itching scalp, dandruff, stagnant growth, ginger should be the best remedy you need to start using, and you will never regret it. When I started my hair growth journey newly, I start with ginger. Ginger is one of the most powerful ingredients I started with, and the result I got while using it is mind-blowing. I was experiencing a lot of dandruff and itching scalp. Applying only ginger, then my dandruff and itching scalp stopped immediately in only one application. There's no joke. You don't need to let down on the ginger. If you have been letting down on ginger, please stop letting down on ginger, because ginger contains gingerol, that powerful compound that increases blood circulation to the scalp. This is why it wakes up your hair follicles and boosts hair growth quicker. There is no joke. Okay, you don't need to break the bank before you can have access to the ginger. So on today's video, I will break it down the best way to use the ginger to achieve your hair goals, only using ginger alone for 3 months to 4 months. I kid you not, that your stagnant growth, that your hair that refuses to grow, will definitely grow. I'm not capping. Okay, a trial will convince you. So after dicing it into a little cube, next thing I'll transfer it to my blender, add a little water so that my blender can crush it very well, so that I can get all the juice out of the ginger. But if you don't have blender, please use your hand grater. If you don't have hand grater, please use mortar, okay, to pound it. The main goal is to extract out the ginger juice. Okay, so there's no way you cannot prepare this. Make sure you prepare this, okay, so that you can solve those your hair problem and see the benefit of ginger on your hair. So I bring my shifter and a bowl to collect my ginger juice. Okay, after then I transfer it to my spray bottle for easy application. If you need extra benefit or extra boost with the ginger juice, you can go ahead and add your essential oils. Any essential oil you have, just drop a little bit of it, okay, for extra boost. But I choose not to add any essential oil because only the ginger juice is banger. Only this ginger juice I will get that benefit I'm looking for. Okay, so if you don't have essential oil, you don't need to bother yourself. That's why I did not add essential oil on my own so that you not be confused. Okay, so now the main goal is how to use this to achieve that hair goals. Please watch this video to the end because I will break it down. I will show you the best way to use the ginger to grow your hair like crazy, to solve those hair problems, to see the powerful effects of using ginger on your hair. Okay, the most important thing you need to do while using the ginger juice on your hair, if you are ready to see that powerful, that effective result with ginger juice, if you want to know if ginger is powerful or not, do this. The thing you need to do is using it on a clean scalp. Don't ever use ginger juice on a dirty scalp. If you really want to know how powerful, how potent and how effective ginger can be, use it on a clean scalp. Okay, so spray it generously on your scalp. Okay, make sure you focus any of your problem areas you want to tackle. If it's your scalp, for itching scalp, for dandruff, or for hair growth booster, focus on your scalp. If you want to regrow your edges, spray it generously under your edges place, under your edges area, your crown section, your bald spots, your teeny area. Focus on that problem areas and make sure you massage your scalp gently. Massage your scalp like 5 minutes to 7 minutes, okay, to help to activate the circulation. Another thing you must do if you want to get the good benefit of the ginger juice on your hair, if you want to know if ginger is really working or not, if you are ready to grow your hair with ginger, if you are ready to solve those your hair problems with ginger, is after applying ginger juice on your hair, do not shampoo your hair, meaning do not use shampoo to remove the ginger on your hair. Please just use water to rinse your hair out. Don't shampoo your hair after applying the ginger juice on your hair, okay? Because when you use shampoo to remove the ginger juice from your hair, it will remove more nutrients of the ginger juice on your hair, meaning you will not get that 100 effective of ginger juice on your hair, because many of the ginger juice have stripped out of your hair. I hope you're understanding me. So if you are ready to solve those your hair problems, if you are ready to grow your hair with ginger, if you are ready to grow your hair like crazy with ginger, do not shampoo your hair after applying ginger on your hair. What you need to do is to use water to rinse your hair out. Okay, rinsing your hair out is the best. Okay, only thing you need to do is just you may use conditioner to condition your hair if you feel like, or what I normally do is after using it, I go ahead and condition my hair or moisturize my hair, depends. Maybe if I use it on my wash days, after shampooing my hair, I'll follow up with the ginger routine. After it, then next thing now is to condition my hair, then I'll go ahead and moisturize my hair. That is all. Please don't apply shampoo after using ginger juice to get that good result of ginger on your hair, okay? So next thing is how often to use the ginger juice for best results. Use it twice weekly, okay? That is the best point of it, okay? Too much can make your scalp feel warm, so twice weekly is perfect for that good results. So choose when you can use it twice in a week. Remember, you don't need to use shampoo on it, just rinse it out and moisturize your hair. So if it's on your wash day, follow condition your hair. After then you go ahead and do your moisture routine. That is all, okay? So twice weekly is the best to see that crazy hair growth with the ginger, okay? So the result will be expecting after 2 weeks of using the ginger on your hair, you start noticing less shedding, thicker roots, new baby hairs, okay, healthy scalp and faster length growth. There is no joke. This ginger will give you that crazy hair growth, so your results may come even quicker if your follicles respond well to ginger. Guys, there is no joke, okay? But the most important thing you need to do with the ginger, make sure you do patch test first before you can go ahead and use ginger, because ginger is very, very powerful, okay? So guys, I hope you find this video very helpful. If you have any question, feel free to drop your question in comment section below, okay, and I will try my best to answer all questions I see. And also, if you try this remedy and you start seeing change on your hair, please come back and let us know, okay? So guys, this will be ending today's video. Please do not forget to subscribe, okay? And once you subscribe, please do well to turn your post notification bell to all, so that you'll be always notified whenever I drop amazing videos. And believe me, you will never regret being part of this family, okay? And also, please help me to like this video. It really encourages me and it helps the growth of the channel. Lastly, please share this video to someone who need faster hair growth remedy, okay, who need to cure lice, dandruff, itching scalp on their hair and grow their hair fast, okay? Thank you so much for doing all that for me. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are the best. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you all on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.